I really don't need a big reason to hit the trails. Off-roading just gives me this feeling of freedom. I love that I have just access to so many trails, whether it be up in the mountains, the valley, the desert. I started looking for a project vehicle and I found this 1992 Land Cruiser online, and this series of Land Cruiser is actually known for being super well built and super reliable. It has 200,000 miles on it. I'm Chloe. I work full-time as a software engineer, but on the weekends I like working on my 1992 Toyota Land Cruiser and 2019 Toyota Tacoma and filming YouTube videos about them. The feeling I get when I'm off-roading or going on adventures is just pure excitement. I mean, you're outside in nature and it's always really, really beautiful. I would say the best thing is to really learn about your vehicles. And then once you start to know the ins and outs of it, then you can start taking it on some easy dirt roads because you know what to expect with it. I've met so many of my friends who meet up with me every single weekend to go on the trails or go camping or go adventuring, and that's what I absolutely love about off-roading. That's the #1 thing. Having a routine maintenance schedule and actually sticking to it is going to extend the life of your vehicle and save you a lot of money in the long run. And using a fuel additive like Techron for added protection. I just pour into my nearly empty gas tank once a season about, and I know my fuel system is protected, it's clean, it's clear of deposits, it maximizes my fuel economy. I started noticing I could actually get up to speed on the highway and pass people when I wanted to. Because I know I want to keep my truck as long as possible, I decided to take oil changes in my own hand because I want to make sure they're done right. Hey, I found you. One of the things I love most about Haviland Smart Change is the packaging. It's extremely eco-friendly because it has 70% less plastic, and it also comes in a 6-quart box. So you get that extra quart of oil. And for me, that's perfect because my truck takes about 6 quarts of oil. Any day that I get to go adventuring, it's just a great day.